Good morning. My Valentine's coffee mug. Coffee. Outside is giving me fall feels. It's cool out. The wind is blowing. It is definitely a fall morning feel right now. Hey, how are you? Hopefully you are having an amazing day. I'm gonna upload this video probably on the same day I go live, which is tonight between 7 p.m. and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's what time I'm gonna go live tonight, but I think I'm gonna put this video up. I gotta sneeze. Anyway, I'm up. I've been up since probably like 5:30 a.m. Even though I knew they weren't out then, but I was just up anticipating. So this is why I don't like ordering stuff online, because I don't like waiting. I want to walk in Home Goods. I want to walk in Home Goods and get what I want and walk out the door. I don't like ordering stuff online because I don't like the anticipation of waiting for the stuff to come. So, my bed is out for delivery as we speak. They told me 7 to 10 business days. And that sucker is on a truck right now. Okay, it got put on the truck at 6:15 a.m. this morning. I was sitting at the window upstairs in the chair, sipping my coffee and looking. Before Ron left for work, he was like, Sharon, everybody's packages are out for delivery, ma'am. Okay, you know that. I said they're going to bring me my bed. I don't care what that thing said about by 7 p.m. tonight. No, they're going to bring my bed at soon. They're going to want to get the largest thing off the truck. Like, this is how I'm envisioning it. They're going to want to get the largest piece off the truck so that he'll just have, or she will just have little things to, unload. That's how I'm thinking about it. So I keep listening and wait. Remy will let me know because he'll bark. He will bark as soon as somebody pull up in front of the house, and I'm going to make a beeline for the door. Oh, but I got a project. Not a real project, but I got something I need to work on. Oops, let me hold my coffee. And that is, I need to repaint my table. I need to repaint the table that got messed up during the move. Okay, let me scoot you up. Okay. Let me give you a little bit of light. So, this is my table from the penthouse, okay? And it got scratched up during the move, like right here, over there, and a little bit on like the sides of the table. Okay, so I'm gonna just put on one coat or maybe two, I don't know. Probably don't need one. Just to give it, cover up that, you see it? You can see it right there. The scratches that happen. Now the table is actually in the center between kitchen right here where you are and family room over there. There's my washing machine back there, and then the chairs. This table, actually, we may keep this table here till well after the holidays. Just because it does provide extra seating in addition to the island, and we're in full on entertain mode, right? So we probably would keep this table here because it's not obscuring the pathway on either side, even with the chairs up to it, right? And we did want to see like what a table would look like here. Now when the island gets extended, of course this won't be functional. It'll be too crowded. But it does give us an idea of what the space looks like with even a smaller round table. So when the island gets extended, we'll scooch this over more in the middle-ish and probably go with a smaller table, I think. But for right now, we're going to actually keep this table until after the holidays. And then we'll see. We will see.
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck, country heart. I'm a couple.
Okay, so now that's nice and clean. Look at that. Ooh, she's new again. She is so new. Again. And I won't put the chairs up to it until it dries. And I may even do one more coat just for good measure. But she's brand new now, honey. So much extra seating for definitely when we are in entertain mode. 4 seats here, 4 seats here. Then you have that area over there. And then the dining room is literally right behind you. So, okay. Looks pretty. Let me see if y'all can. Look at that. So pretty. I don't know. I had the same thing on it from the penthouse because it's low and it's simple, you know. And it does, you know, match with this bar right here and just the other neutral colors in the space. The black staircase, the black chairs, it all just still works together. Nice. I like. Voila. The fast version of painting. I also started working on getting the guest bedroom prepared for guests. Okay? Prepared for guests. So, I'll show you what that looks like. I added 2 things, but I do want to change out the comforter and make it a little bit more plush and more hotel looks like, and toss in a snack tray basket bin. And then Ron has to mount this shelf thing, but I can show it to you. We can look together. Okay, so the only thing I'm gonna do in here is change out the comforter set to my signature white at the foot, and a nice quilt, a few layers, pillows, you know, some decor. And I only added that, the mirrors, and then the vase. Because it already had one nightstand, so I just balanced it out with the mirrored one to go with this. Because this is already Bling City, as you can see. And we'll just make it nice and comfy. And then on this right here, which was in the master, but Rona's gonna hang it on this wall, and then I could put like the Wi-Fi password, fold some towels, just make it real guest worthy for guests or whatever. So that is the plan here in this space. Very simple. Not a lot to do. Made my work so much easier. Okay. And then when someone comes over, holla. The host doing the most. Ron is a full-on host. Okay. I'm telling you, we're in host mode 1000. Okay. I'm gonna throw him a birthday party at the end of the month. And we have a end of summer cookout on Saturday coming up for the end of summer, which is also going to put me in more of a fall feel. So I can kind of get ready for fall. The weather's already kind of changing a little bit, so I'm excited. Ooh. Yeah. Anyway, the phone is about to die, so let me charge. And maybe I will come back because I'm so excited. Just, yeah, hang on for the next clip if I should happen to return. Look who's here. It's a bed. I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, I can't wait. Okay, so this is the table. Completely painted. Done in its space. I'm trying to show you. There's still a ton of space around. I had it more over this way, like right in this center area, because here's the island. When it gets extended to about here, I figured this could scoot further over and still have this same ratio, but just the table will be further over. But it will leave from where the light fixture is right here. That will come down for lighting this part of the room. But let me turn on the lights for you so you can see a little bit better. Okay. Fresh coat of paint. Nice and clean. Looks new again. Look at that. This table is so heavy. So heavy. Another Furniture Market piece. And so we have all this space here. Let me move the trash can. We have all this space, right? Here, which again is where I had it more over this way. So kind of like, yeah, like right there. So, but for now, it'll stay. For now, it'll stay. And we'll figure out, you know, the deal later, I guess. But I love it, to be honest with you. Yeah. All right, so let me show you the bed. Okay, so here is the bed. So pretty. Okay, and it has, let me get over here. A nail head trim on it. Very simple, to the point. It matches this, but not identical. It's just a little, just a shade darker probably than that. Or is it? Yeah, just a little bit darker. Not a whole lot. So this is the bed. Now here's the bottom part of the bed right here. That goes around here. And I have to finish putting the legs on and securing the slats. And then I'll take it off the frame that's here. And this will become the frame. The problem I'm having, so I'm going to wait for Ron, is this is the part that attaches to the headboard, right? So you see the R for right? Okay, this is the right side. These three top holes, I know go, like the headboard will rest here. Like this will go behind the headboard. So I'll take the headboard back off and then secure this. The only problem is this. down here, these two holes are not lining up with this. So I'm so confused as to how this is going to work, because they will not freaking line up. Oh, excuse me. And then it says that this part, this little lip right here, is supposed to be on the outside of this. So like this. But they don't line up. Look at that. If you go up, it doesn't line up with these holes. No matter how you do it, if you put it on the end, then the holes don't reach. Like, I'm so confused. So I done got this far, but I'm stuck. So I'm gonna wait for Ron to finish putting this part together. But anyway, that's what this part looks like. So, I love it. I absolutely love it. I feel like, and then when the chandelier comes and gets scooched over, and then all that sparkle, you can see the sparkle over there, just little hints of sparkle. That brings me so much joy. So I'm stuck to here, but it's okay. I still need to go find my fairy lights for my lanterns, so it can be a whole vibe, you know. But that's where I'm stuck at here. And I just don't know. I don't know. But the beauty of it is I have Ron to figure those things out for me now. I don't have to be banging my head against the wall to try to... Yeah. So that's it. And I can't... This is actually the next day. Okay, so this is this angle here. I am stuck. The bathroom is the next up here project. Look, project. So that I can, because you know I did a temporary fix on it. Now that I see what this room looks like, I can make that flow into the bathroom. So we're probably going to paint this cabinet here, of course, add some hardware to it. I want to paint the shower from silver to black, and make that really, you know, more modern or whatever, without replacing the entire shower situation, and change out the fixtures, the hardware in the bathroom, and that's it. Just to kind of make it flow with the retreat over here. But yeah, we gotta, whenever we figure this out, or when Ron figures it out, I should say, I'll show you probably it in another video with the skirt around it. But for now, that is it. That's all. Okay, let me go jump in the shower.